Okay guys, before we continue with today's video, I do want to let you know if you want to support the channel a bit more, you can head over to our link in the description and sign up on Rollino. They have really cool promotions, really good deposit bonuses and weekly cashbacks all the way up to 25%, which is really insane. And they also give you some free spins on the first deposit, or actually the first 4 deposits if you want that. A really good variety of games, which is really nice. Their live chat is amazing, and yeah. Let's continue with the video. What's up guys, and welcome back to another video here on Casino Mates. Today we are back on Rollino and we are going to be playing some vending machine. And yeah, let's jump straight into the video. Hopefully we can catch profits this time. Also, let me know what you think of this game. I think it's interesting, but I've yet to get a good win, so hopefully we can catch that today. Also, I love the sound animation of this candy wrappers and stuff like that. Also, if you guys have any fun games for me to check out, be sure to comment down below. I will check it out. That's a really good hit. Let's get something crazy here. We need a multi on this now. That would be nuts. Also, if you can enlighten some of them now, or activate them. Give us some energy symbols on these ones. This one is for sure the MVP here. We can get the multi of either of these three. It's good. Okay, let's go. Hopefully this can hit something crazy. Fuck, we need this one to be activated again. Wait to do something. Please. Okay, at least we get some money back for the buy. Activate this, please. And it can be nuts. Okay, nice. Let's go. If we get a good line here. Okay, that's some money. We didn't need to hit a lot bigger. So give us something crazy here. No. These are the two most important ones are alive, so... Fuck guys, we need to activate again. Please. Okay, nice. That's a good save, but we need this one. Yes, let's fucking go, guys. This can go nuts, actually. If we get a multiplier on this now, that's going to be huge. Okay, good hit. Looks like we're catching some profits now. At least, finally. But not a lot, so we need a lot more. Okay, that's good hit. Let's fucking go. We are already profits on balance, so if this can continue, we are actually really good. Oh, fuck. Give us a multiplier on this as well. Or this one, who cares? Also the music on this is really nice. Give us a multiplier here now, that would be nuts. Okay. This is a really good win. Holy fuck, it just keeps going. We need this one to be activated again, and if we can get some multipliers on the rest of them and get the line all the way, we are good. We're already at like 560 win, which is really nice. Okay, let's fucking go. Let's go. Okay, that's at least a good line. Probably going to die now, right? Please activate some of them. Okay. Activate all of them again, please. It's probably going to die now, right? Yeah. That's a really good window. 635, we take it. Let's go for this and then do 50 of these. We get in now, it's really good. Let me turn on turbo, so it's a bit faster. Also, I think base game on this is not too bad, so... Okay, let's fucking go. That's actually not too bad at this bet size. Okay, that's bad. Never mind. Yeah, this doesn't look too good. Looks like it wants to die, but... You can kick it again, maybe. Okay. So I do think this is going to be the last bonus for this video, as we do want to leave with an okay balance. We can make some more fun videos for you guys. Too bad this didn't hit. Activate all of them. Imagine having this bet size on last bonus, that would be nuts. Okay. Getting some good tumbles, but we need a bigger multiplier so we can get a multiplier on any of these wheels. Activate them, thank you. Okay. Nice. Looks like we are leaving with some profits today, finally, but not something too crazy. Hopefully this can go nuts. We need multipliers though. Okay, that's a good hit. We can get a good line here. That's could be something. Nice. Okay, never mind. And it's back again. It's giving us some good hits. This is also a really good win. Just from spinning it in. Okay, that's huge actually. Looks like we're leaving with at least some decent profits. Again, $600. We're up to like 1k now. Holy fuck, guys. Don't tie us up. Don't tie now, please. Oh, that would have been like $100. It's probably going to die now, I think. Yeah. Okay, guys, we take it. We're living at a 1k balance, which is really nice. We really needed that. So yeah. Also, remember to leave a like on the video. Subscribe if you're not already subscribed. We are posting like 3-4 videos a day. So yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.